Hello, good morning traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before you dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market updates. The overnight soybean oil contracts May month rose 0.18 to close higher at this 43.17. Dalian active on one contracts rose 126 points to close higher at 8976 on previous night's sessions. Malaysia crude palm oil futures climbed on Thursday following the gains in river oil and dalliance, and the seaboard soy oil markets told the concern over US tariff limited the upside. FCPO May month contracts rose 63 points to close higher at 4480. The actively traded FCPO contracts remain in the broader sideways consolidations. The price has risen for second consecutive sessions, and we see the ups has been recovering the losses which is recorded on the March of 4, with the potentially to continue moving higher on the and also the price is currently trading above the middle of the sideways range, which is a 4425 to 20. It's trading above it, so the upwards momentum is possible. In the hourly charts, the price has broken above a resistance line of a downward channels we spotted over here, and here is a resistance line. If we uh, if we see these downward channels, and now is the level is spotted at 447026. Price currently is act as a support line. So we suggest a buy and retracement with the resistance expected at 4495 to 4500, which is yesterday night high price. And here this line remains as a crucial resistance as we see here the bottom of previous sideways consolidations. So this line, if breaking above this, could lead to further highest upside, likely towards the 4430, and highest could be 4450 range. However, if this resistance range not able to hold, we might see the price coming down from here, and likely it will be forming a sideways consolidations again around this range, and also um, the selling pressure may emerge at these areas, so just beware of any sentiment change. I will call for the CPO market to be long positions may be open above 4469 with the targets to set at 4495 to 4518 and the stop loss to set at 4449. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 4469 with the targets to set at 4447 to 4425 and the stop loss to set at 4489. And next, we're shifting our focus to the index market update. Okay, the overnight Dow Jones markets dropped 427 points to close lower at 42579. Stock indexes tumbled on Thursday with the Nasdaq confirming a correction since it peaked last December, while the dollar weakened as investor uncertainty grew following the fresh tariff announcement from US President Donald Trump. Meanwhile, the global bond market sell-off extended with the 10-year German bond yield experiencing its sharpest rise since the 1990s. Trading remained volatile as investors react to ongoing tariff developments. Bursa Malaysia benchmark index on yesterday's sessions closed lower, weighed down by the persistent selling pressure on selected heavyweights, particularly in the financial service sector. The FKLI March month contracts dropped 7 points. To close lower at 1530.5. The actively traded FKI contracts closed lower on yesterday. So this is the yesterday candles, erasing the gains on the March of the 5, the previous sessions is totally erasing and signaling a potential some continue its downwards bias, with the sell on rebound strategy remains the focus. So yesterday we served this as a spinning candlestick which can potential reverse the trend. However, the yesterday sessions close out have wiped up the gains. So the markets continues to trade lower and below this sideways consolidations, and the price continue to trade at the lower boundaries. So the new now acting as a key resistant areas over here. So yesterday we see the consolidations over here. So now the resistance is served as 1525 to 1524 range is over here as it break the previous low. So now serve as the resistance range. So we might see if this range if the 1525 to 24 continue to be weak and not able to support, we might see further lows likely towards 1515 to 1517, and the lowest could be seen at 1506 and 05. So just beware of any sentiment change and potential of technical buying. Set your appropriate stop loss and um, trading, be careful. Yeah, so here's our view for the sessions. As we wrap up, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to the market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the view presented here are for your reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.